This is Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. I feel like doing Adele songs today. Oh, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. The hand in your arms without falling to your feet. But I testified to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true, and the games you'd play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face, and it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard I screaming out your name, your name. With you, I could stay there, close my eyes in the fear, forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true, in the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it burn as I touched your face. Well, it burned and I cried, and I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, watched it go into the flames. And if I felt something died, 'cause I knew it was the last time. Oh, will I break up at the door? That your heart you caught must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. Set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time.